Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best drafting kits is probably one of the most crucial investments for any aspiring or established architect. These kits are the backbone of precision, offering all the necessary tools to translate your creative visions into tangible, detailed blueprints. From the initial sketches to the final technical drawings, a reliable drafting kit ensures accuracy and professionalism in every line and measurement, making it an indispensable companion in the world of architecture. Number 5. Mr. Pen House Plan Templates, Set of 3. This set is expertly designed for professionals. It offers unparalleled accuracy, making it an essential tool for any project. Made from durable PET plastic, this set is built to last. Its flexibility ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use. With this template, you can easily visualize and plan essential areas. It includes symbols and outlines for various fixtures. This template is perfect for sketching out plans for different rooms. It makes it easy to create cohesive design schemes. Whether creating a new plan or updating an existing one, this set is an excellent tool. It simplifies your planning and design process. What we like. This set is made from durable and flexible PET plastic, ensuring longevity. It includes templates for kitchens, bedrooms, and furniture, making it easy to visualize your designs. If you are looking to streamline your planning and design process, this comprehensive set is perfect for you. What people say. The package is 13x812 and includes everything my sister needs in drawing her blueprints. The plastic is strong and appears to be quite durable, and each template is transparent so that one can see what one is working on without moving the template. These are in 1/4 1 foot -0 inches scale and are very similar to the Timely or Stedler brand templates I used as a professional home designer and drafting instructor decades ago. House Plan Template has some nice features, a standard 60 tub, and the most toilets, sinks, urinals and bidets I have seen on any template. Has some handy layout guides on the edges, but the stairway template would not meet modern international dwelling code. Number 4. Mr. Pen 3-Piece Architect Drawing Template Set. This set includes 3 essential templates for architectural and interior design. They are perfect for anyone involved in drafting and design work. The house plan template features kitchen appliances, door and electrical symbols, plumbing fixtures, and a roof pitch gauge. It helps you create detailed floor plans. This template includes furnishings for living rooms, dining rooms, bedrooms, and office areas. It allows you to easily visualize furniture layouts. This template provides outlines for cabinets, appliances, beds, and dressers. It is designed to help you design the kitchen, bed, and bath areas. Made from a flexible yet sturdy material, it's ideal for architects, builders, and contractors. It is a must-have tool for your drafting needs. What we like. This set includes a house plan, furniture, and kitchen bath templates. The material is flexible yet sturdy, ideal for architects and builders. If you're a professional needing a reliable and versatile set for various design tasks, consider this one. What people say. The drafting kit includes a high-quality drafting table with adjustable height and tilt, providing optimal comfort and flexibility for various projects. The parallel motion drafting machine ensures precise and smooth movements, allowing for accurate line work and measurements. The kit features a comprehensive set of drafting tools, including various scales, templates, and erasers, catering to diverse architectural drafting needs. Number 3. Mr. Pen 12-inch Architect Scale Ruler, 2 PCS. Introducing the Mr. Pen Architect Scale Ruler. This set includes 2 12-inch rulers, perfect for various design and engineering tasks. They are essential tools for professionals and students alike. These rulers are made from high-impact aluminum, ensuring durability. The sturdy construction means they can withstand daily use and last for a long time. Designed for portability, the triangular shape makes them easy to carry. You can easily slip them into your pocket, making them ideal for on-the-go use. Featuring an imperial scale, it provides precise measurements. The laser-cut prints ensure accuracy and durability, so you can rely on them for all your projects. Perfect for drafting and measuring architectural drawings. Whether it's floor plans or blueprints, this ruler is a reliable tool for anyone in design or engineering. What we like. These rulers are made from high-impact aluminum with laser-cut imperial prints for long-lasting accuracy. They are also easy to carry in your pocket. If you need precise measurements on the go, this architect scale ruler is a must-have. What people say. This heavy, aluminum ruler is easy to read, feels nice in a hand and stands up to a bit of wear. They are engraved W paint. Very happy with the quality. Nice quality, very readable and useful on job site for blueprint, very resistant too. Number 2. Mr. Pen 7-Piece Geometry Precision Tool Set. Introducing the Mr. Pen 7-Piece Geometry Set. This set is perfect for math, geometry, art, and drafting. It includes everything you need for precise measurements and drawings. The set features 2 high-quality professional compasses. It also comes with an extension beam and interchangeable attachments. You'll find it easy to create circles up to 20 inches in diameter. The geometry compass has a spring bowhead and center wheel. This design prevents any unintentional leg movements, ensuring accuracy in every use. Whether you're a student or an artist, this set is designed to meet your needs. It's great for creating precise circles and complex geometric shapes. The set is packaged in a clear, reusable box. This makes it easy to carry and store. This ensures that all the tools are kept safe and organized. What we like. This set includes 2 professional compasses and interchangeable attachments. It can create circles up to 20 inches in diameter. If you need precision and stability for math, geometry, or drafting, this set is ideal for you. What people say. This is a real quality instrument with a beam to increase the working radius. You may need to watch a video on how to use this, I do not have one. With this, you can do home remodeling to scale, architect ruler needed, home yard improvement landscaping and many other things. Comes in a good case, and I would give this as a gift if I had any friends, who would use it. The Mr. Pen compass is sturdy, has a sharp point and almost every movable piece can be easily secured by tightening the various screws. I can now draw at least 20 circles with the same radius, without checking and readjusting the radius for each circular arc. If you've ever had trouble using the expensive brand name compasses, you might be pleasantly surprised how the Mr. Pen compass is much more reliable. Number 1. Mr. Pen Architectural Ruler Set. Introducing the Mr. Pen Architectural Ruler Set. This set is perfect for back to school, and it includes everything you need for accurate measurements. It's a must-have for any student or professional. The set includes an 11-inch 30-60 triangle, an 8-inch 45-90 triangle, and a 12-inch architect triangular scale. These tools are essential for a variety of projects, providing precision and ease of use. The large, clear triangles are made of high-quality, sturdy materials. The protractor center cutout makes it easy to measure angles accurately. You'll find these tools to be incredibly reliable. The 12-inch architect's ruler features 3 sides with 6 different scales. This allows for quick and accurate selection of the desired scale. It's designed to make your work more efficient. The shatterproof, high-impact heavy plastic triangular scale ensures durability. You can rely on it to withstand daily use. It's built to last, providing long-term value. What we like. The set includes a triangular scale ruler and clear, sturdy triangles. It allows for quick and accurate selection of the desired scale. If you need a complete set with clear and easy-to-use tools, you should consider this one. What people say. It comes with large right triangles, set squares, and triangular scale. All 3 pieces are of high quality. The set squares are thick and hard to break. They are 30 to 60 and 45-degree triangles. The 30 to 61 is graduated 11x6 and the 45 to 91 is graduated 8x8. There is a protractor in the middle of 45 to 90 triangle which is pretty cool. The scale is also very sturdy. It will not break. It seems like the prints on it are permanent. It's an architectural scale and it's in imperial units. The innovative features I mentioned include rulers, with imperial measures on the edges of both the 30-degree and 45-degree angles. Other clever features include a simple French curve cut into the middle of one angle and a protractor cut into the middle of the other angle. A separate triangular scale ruler also goes with the set. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.